Greetings. I would like to welcome all of you to the 7th episode of Power BI Desktop for busy students. For today's episode, we're going to look at a very nifty feature called Bookmarks. Now, Bookmark is a very easy way in which you can save the state of your Power BI visualization in which you can use for later. In order to access the bookmarks, we have to open up our Power BI. And in the menu at the top, we have to go to the wheel. In the wheel, we can notice that we have the bookmark over here, in which we can save maybe the filters or the values that you have selected, the charting options that you have selected for use in the future. So right now, I will click on the bookmark and we will see that the bookmark is added to the options that we have from the right side panel. I am going to minimize some of these panels to make it easier to see our bookmarks. So right now, we're going to capture the key data points in our visualization or filter down to the state that we want, and we can capture it. So suppose I will have the first scenario when I have IBM, the management, and marketing. I might want to save this as one of the bookmarks we have. All you have to do is to select the key data points you like, press Add, and it will create a bookmark. Right now, we can rename it to MKT, MGT, IBM. So this would be our first bookmark. Later, we might want to compare maybe accounting and finance. So let's select only accounting and let's select finance. Over here, we can add another bookmark and we can rename this to accounting and finance. The great thing about bookmarks is that we can change between our selection by clicking on the bookmark. When I click on marketing, MJT, and IBM, we can see our visualization would be updated to key data point that has saved in my bookmark. If I click on accounts and finance, you will notice that our visualization will be updated with the values that we have saved in this bookmark. So this is all for today's episode. Thank you very much for your time and see you in a future episode.